Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Tonight, Arjene's going to stay behind the camera, and I am going to do a little recipe that I just made up. We've been talking about doing a pork loin, and pork always seems to go real well with different kinds of fruit. You can do orange, you know, of course applesauce is the standard to serve with pork. So what I decided to do was I'm going to make a sort of a glaze. I'm going to sear the pork loin, and then I'll put it in the oven with the glaze on it, a glaze that I make, and then we'll bake it. And as a side, I've already got some roasted potatoes going, all spiced up and buttered and everything, and they're already baking. And then we're going to have broccoli. So we'll have a pretty well-rounded meal, and I think it should be pretty good. So let's get started. So here we go. It took a lot longer than we thought it was going to take.
1 hour.
Well, 1 hour, and it took quite a while for the prep. We've got the roasted potatoes, the pork loin with my special sauce, which had to be modified. I put in 3 cups of apple juice. That was too much. Then we had to put in a little bit of cornstarch to thicken it up. I only had, half a cup of brown sugar. We had to up that to up to 1 cup of brown sugar. But it looks very good. So we're going to give it a try. The recipe is at the bottom of, the bottom of the page?
Bottom of the video.
Bottom of the video.
So let's try.
And I'm starving, so we're going to see what Arjene thinks first.
This is so good.
Is it good?
The apple, sweet.
Ooh.
Very tender.
It is good.
I will recommend this. This is so good.
I'm not so sure we had to do the vinegar. Do you think?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that, but Arjene fixed up the sauce. Overall, it was a good idea. Whoops. did that on video. And we also have the applesauce.
Very good.
What is that?
Two thumbs up.
2 thumbs up? One thumb, the other one's busy. Oh, wow. This was a great idea somebody had. And I would recommend it. Anyway, if you like the recipe, if you like the video, Argina's going to put the recipe at the bottom of the, like I said, at the bottom of the video. So if you like it, please give us a thumbs up, like, spread the word, tell everybody you know.
You should try this. This is a really good idea.
This really is good. And what did we, that was a, what was that, a 2-pound pork loin. And to get it up to what, 145?
145.
It took, what, an hour and a half or 2 hours?
1 hour.
I thought it was longer than that.
1 hour.
About 1 hour in the oven at 350. So, anyway, thanks for watching.
Thank you, guys.
See you later. We're starving. It's
See you
already
later.
it's already late at night. I started way too late with this, so we have to eat. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.